Hey guys, it's Diana here, and today we're going to go down memory lane because, as you can see, I have a really old slime. This slime is from a long time ago, and if you haven't seen this video, because I made this for a YouTube video, the link will be in the description down below, because this is really old and you have to see that video to understand the whole process of how this came out. So today, I'm going to be fixing it, and this might be a little tutorial for you if you had a really old slime. So, let's get fixing it. This slime was made with borax and water, but no Tide or detergent. So here I have Tide in a cup, and I have a spoon. And look at the consistency right now. It's just goo, it's like glue basically, but it's not sticky. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix it to make it back to slime. So, let's do it. Spoon, Tide. Gonna mix this up. Okay, I see the consistency coming back a little, you see? So let's do it. Oh my god. I have not touched this slime for a long time. You see it's going back white? It's moving its color. See, that's white from the glue. We added a lot of glue to this. I am still mixing the slime. It is getting a little bit of its consistency back. Give this video a thumbs up if you think it's going to fix the slime. Let's see. I think I have a little bit more detergent. So it's getting a great consistency back. It definitely is an arm workout because my arms are burning now from just putting it in my hand and starting to mix it. So the slime got its consistency back perfectly. Look at it. It's literally slime again. I haven't touched it for a long time, so we're gonna dump it now. Oh my god, that's so satisfying. So look how big the slime is. It was a win and it's amazing. Look at it. This tip is going to help you fix all of your slimes. Any slime you have, 2, 4, this will fix your slime. Look at it. It's perfect. It's so nice. Satisfying. Look how cool it is! It works, definitely. Whoa! This slime is amazing. I thought this slime would never work, but it's amazing! I brought my slime back. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this helped you fix your slime. Give this video a thumbs up, watch this video over and over again, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And remember to go watch the video when I made this slime. Thank you for watching. Bye!